Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, finally got our answer to the nice move that happened, last week. I mean, when you stop and think that the price was all the way down there and it was able to bounce up to this range of the chart at that point in time, and what we talked about last week was, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls ramping things up? And we now have our answer: no. That whole move last week was totally fake. It was a dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to call that a dead cat bounce? Well, I think we can all agree on the logic that price movements that are the start of something bigger, well, the price is going to keep on getting bigger, right? The price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it started. And that's what we had happen today. And all that revolves around 0.023, which essentially, when you look at it right here, if I make a box here, so that's where the price started before, the nice move upwards. And now I extend the box over and you can see, well, the price is right back to within that box. Now, am I saying that the price can never, get started with a new move? I'm not saying that at all. But all I'm saying is that in regards to this move right here, we now have our answer. It was a fake move because the price has fallen right back to where it all got started. But again, just to reiterate, if you were to say, Clay, summarize it, I'd say back to the drawing board, because sure, the bulls can put together a new solid move, but as the previous one stands, there is no genuine power behind it. And that brings about our update, which is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if any sort of new move is going to get started in the upwards direction, 0.023, definitely public enemy number 1. As far as areas of support are concerned, the key level where there seems to be quite a bit of buyers hanging around is right there at 0.021. You can see not only did the price bounce from there today, but you look back in the history and you can see it found some nice buyers back there too. So 0.021, key level of support, an initial area of resistance, 0.023, going into the remainder of the week. So back to the drawing board for the bulls. We'll see if they can construct anything new or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.